Hi there, so in this video we are going to talk about a new update for BuddyPress Enhanced plugin. So I have added a new pro feature which is called activity sensitivity, where we can mark activity content as sensitive content so that it will display blurred content and user have to approve to see the content before watching it. So let's see how does it work. So this is my local site and I have already installed the pro version of BuddyPress Enhanced. Once you activate this plugin, go to settings, BuddyPress, options, and here in the activity stream, enable this setting called sensitivity activity. Now if you go to the front side of the site, go to activity, and this is the example of sensitive content, so we have to click to reveal it. So how does that work? So while you add your own update from this box, and here I have provided this mark as sensitive box, so check this and click on post update. So once you do that, this will be display like this. It will be display the blurred content and you have to click to reveal it. And if you don't check this checkbox, then it will work the way it is working at the moment. So yeah, this is the small feature added in this plugin. If you have any doubt question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.